Howdy there, folks. Here we have this very nice leather belt from Gurzita. And this is like a ratcheting style belt, so it has this built-in ratchet teeth in there. Really nice, soft, pliable leather. It comes with two belts in this particular kit, a black and a brown. Okay, and then two buckles. You got kind of a really nice camming buckle right there. And the way this works is you can cut this to your desired length, and it's even got pre-marked spots you can cut. You take it, you're going to insert it into the end, clamp it down. Whoop. Got to get it all the way in there. Nice and strong. And then the other end ratchets. So you just put it through like this, and I love this system. And then to release the ratchet, you're just going to push up on this little tab down here like that, and it'll unlatch. Now it's actually easier to do when it's on you, just because of the ergonomics of it. But you're going to pull up on it, and it'll unlatch the belt. So really nice, classic looking belts here. They were sent to me for review. I'm just trying to show you how they unratchet like that. Like I said, a little bit harder to do when you're just holding it that way. Really nice, were sent to me for review.